Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today is super helpful video, guys. If you have a BMW Z4 and you're trying to test, or Z3 even, guys, Z3, Z4, and you're trying to test if your fuel injectors are working, how to activate them manually and see if they're spraying fuel the correct way or they need to be replaced. Stay with us, we'll cover that today. Make sure to stay until the end, guys. Now, that's a video, guys. I'll consider this video entertaining, not a how-to video. Due to the fact that there is quite a bit of risk, guys. You can catch yourself on fire, your car on fire, and that could be dangerous, guys. So consider this entertaining video. We'll show you guys how we do it here on an N52 engine that has been used in BMW Z4. But even if you have a Z3, Z4, the procedure will be very similar. If you guys need to buy any replacement parts, tools, fuel injectors, anything like that, we'll share the links in the description of the video below, and you can see where we get all our tools and parts from, guys, and you can get tools and parts for a really good price. Number two, guys, every single car we get at the shop, we make at least 200 free repair videos. And why we do that? Because our mission here at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need, guys, in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep providing this free information, guys. So let us show you what we specifically have here. We have the whole car taken apart because we're making quite a few videos, but we have the fuel rail, guys, removed. This is your fuel rail right here with the fuel injectors. We remove the fuel rail without disconnecting the fuel line. That way, guys, check it out. We can actually, still have the pressure in the fuel system. Cover your holes here with a long rack, guys, not short ones because they can get sucked in the engine. Long racks, and make sure that there is no dirt or dust dropping inside your holes for the fuel injectors, because that can bend your valves. If something falls in there, it can bend your valve, get in the engine, destroy your engine, guys. So again, consider this entertaining video because there is quite a few risks here. Another thing, guys, now we'll have fire extinguisher on the place. We should use gloves, eye protection as well. But before we start, guys, we'll need a 9-volt battery as well. Check this channel out, how to repair, guys. This is our main channel, and on this channel, guys, we have helped more than 75 million people. We have information that can save you thousands of dollars, guys, on car repair. So please subscribe, guys. We're constantly adding videos and people find them very, very helpful. With that being said, guys, we still haven't removed the fuel line, so our system is still under pressure. Fuel rail, we have pressure. Otherwise, if you disconnect the fuel line, that fuel will leak out and you will not have fuel pressure. Without fuel pressure, your fuel injectors will not work. If you disconnected the fuel line or need to build fuel pressure, what we usually do, we cover with one long rack all the way, make sure it doesn't get in the engine, and just hit the starter for only a couple seconds, guys, and turn it off immediately, maybe even a second, a few times, so it can build fuel pressure. Make sure the engine can backfire, so be very careful. Make sure, guys, that you're not standing close to it. Then turn the ignition off. We should have pressure in the system. We'll connect alligator clips to the two wires of the fuel injector. It doesn't matter where you connect it, guys. Positive and negative, they can be reversed, as long as you don't touch the two wires together, because the moment you touch them together and you have the power source connected, you can, guys, burn your fuel injector. So I want to, guys, show you now. Let's activate it for a couple of seconds and you will see how that fuel injector sprays now. Check it out now. You can see. And after a few seconds you will lose fuel pressure, and that's normal, but it sprays fuel in a really good foggish looking pattern. You can see it's kind of like fog towards the end. That's good. If it doesn't make fog, it means the fuel injector is dirty. Check the tip of it as well. The fuel injectors will spray in an angle, usually like that, on most BMWs. Why? Because they will be mounted vertically on top of the engine, and they need to spray in an angle in the intake valves. And you can see in our case, it does that. So definitely, guys, a good working fuel injector here. That's how we test them, that they're working or not. So hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, and see you guys next time.